From this valley, they say you are leaving. We will miss your bright eyes and sweet smile.
We sure will. We will.
For you take with you all of the sunshine that has brightened our pathway a while. Come and sit by my side if you love me. Do not hasten to bid me adieu. Just remember the Red River Valley and the cowboy that's loved you